Hey, this is Dave with theprepperbookshelf.com, and I've got an interesting little book for you. It's not really designed for preppers. Really, it's designed more for retirees with yachts and RVs, but it's called Managing 12 Volts, How to Upgrade, Operate, and Troubleshoot 12-Volt Electrical Systems. And I got it because solar, hydroelectric, my little steam generator, you know, all those things, my little lawnmower alternator thing that we did over there at tingun.com, all those things are used to charge car batteries. Car batteries usually are 12 volt, right? And it's a big difference between 12 volt systems and house current, you know, AC 120 volt, 115 volt systems, right? And a lot of the wiring is going to be different, the gauges and stuff. And charging batteries, you can really easily kill your car battery if you're not careful, if you don't have a good system. You know, if you're frustrated, if you can't charge your batteries, if you're not charging the batteries completely, you know, great book. It's got a lot of mathematical formulas so that you size your system correctly. You don't want to have, you know, too much charge, not enough battery, not enough battery, too much charge, you know, too long of wires, the wrong gauge. This is going to help you figure out, you know, what do I need to run, how many watts, you know, how many amps, how long do I need to run it for, you know, how much do I want to spend in batteries, how big a battery pack, you know, do I want to have a generator, you know, all those questions. This is a good way of getting the answers. Some good wiring diagrams in here. Let me show you one. You know, decent wire diagrams. Not a whole lot of illustrations and pictures, but enough to let you know what's going on. There is a lot of math in here. It's not high-level math, but there is a lot of math in here. And it talks about solar, and it talks about wind, and it talks about voltage regulators, and all sorts of things. If you're going to have an alternate energy power system, then this book is probably worth you checking out. Okay? So there you go. And until next time, you can always catch us online at theprepperbookshelf.com. Thank you.